Hello everyone, this is Korean. Welcome back to my channel. Thank God for waking me up. He didn't have to do it, but he did. I was going to taste test this cinnamon bun from Dollar Tree and this iced espresso from Dollar Tree. So I said, let me, make a sandwich and have my lunch or brunch, whatever you want to call it. So here it is. I have a fried bologna. Don't that look good? Let me put a little closer. Let me do it like this here. Yeah. And that's not regular bologna from the store, y'all. That is market style bologna you get from a meat market, and they cut it to how thick you want it. And my husband bought this back from the market because we get a lot of our meats from Ahoskie, North Carolina. It's Godwin Country Meat. Oh, he have the best meats, y'all. Ooh. So if you're in the area, go there. Get you some sausage, some ham, some of this bologna, and all other kind of meats. And he have other stuff. So, okay. In addition to this, and my fried bologna, I have some Skinny Pop popcorn, sweet and salty killer. Y'all know I love, but y'all don't know, but you know it now. I love kettle corn. This says 280 calories. Let me see on the back. 280 calories. Excuse me, 1 serving, the whole pack. Okay. Now, let me set my grace and let me get to this, okay? And I think I'm the only one in my house love the back slice of bread. So it's now the top of my sandwich. So I'm going to say my grace. Amen. Okay. Let me dig in. Let me get my napkin. You know, I got to be a little girl. I got to have a napkin. But I'm going to lay her to the side, okay? Let me take my, want a bite? You want a bite? And I grilled it on my George Foreman. So good, y'all. I'm going to pop this open. Excuse me for top of my mouth. Food in my mouth. So how have everybody been? So leave me a comment if you ever had market style bologna. I know when I was in New York, Mom used to get some from there. Oh, this is so good, y'all. Let me hold it so I won't drop it. From Dollar Tree, vanilla. That's good. Some more of my sandwich. Good. This comes from Dollar Tree too. I've never heard of skinny popcorn. Leave it to Dollar Tree. Oh boy, I should have. See, if I'm in the store, I'm knocking stuff down. If I'm home, I'm spilling stuff. Good. Let's see how many calories. 250 calories. Okay. And the container have coffee beans on it. So it is good. Everything good. Let me taste this. Sorry about the noise from the bag, y'all. That would be good with hot coffee too, y'all. This is from Dollar Tree. Big Texas cinnamon roll. 430 calories, I guess so. So anyway. Everything is so good. I got my hair under wraps because today is Saturday. And by the time you see this, it'll be past Easter. So I got my hair under wraps with my Easter Sunday hairdo. So I wanted to make this video so y'all could see all of this. So like I said, please like, share, and comment. And if you like my video, subscribe to the channel. And also give it a thumbs up. And hit that bell notification so you won't miss not one of my videos. So until next video, bye-bye.